The next question is, how do you deal with societal temptations, especially at a young age?
Do what the Prophet says, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I mean, it's really difficult, especially now, because we have a highly sexually charged culture and environment that we're living in. You're being bombarded from every way, as Shaitan promised. He's going to come from the front, the back, right, and the left. The only way in direction he won't come to you from is from above. That was not mentioned in the Qur'an. He swore to Allah, I'm going to come to them, I'm going to assault them. Since you misled me and I'm going to go to the hellfire because I didn't bow down, I swear by your might, I'm going to attack them from in the front, from the back, from the right, and from the left. And you're not going to find from them many who are grateful. But he's not going to come from above. So the person who's young and other than them has to have a connection to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with dua. With dua, he has to have that connection. وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِ عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ. Allah is close, so make dua. Do what the Prophet did for the youngsters. The young boy came and said, Ya Rasulullah, give me permission, I want to make zina. I want to make zina, but I want to do it under your supervision. Because I'm sincere. I don't want to go and sneak and do it. You know what I'm going through. But people didn't like that question. Rasulullah did not get angry with that boy. He said, come. You like the people to do that with your relatives? He said, no. He took the boy, he made dua for the boy, asked Allah, take that from him. Allah took it from him. Also, he told us to fast. Young people should fast. Lower your gaze. Don't put yourself in those environments that are tempting for you. Don't be around people who that's what they're upon. So it's not enough just to say, what is the advice? It's a person effectively trying to put himself in a position where he would be helping himself. Fast as much as you can, be around good people, and don't expose yourself to those issues.